The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, southeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, northern Scott County, Missouri, Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Daisy to near Leopold, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Jackson, Scott City, Anna, Chaffee, Jonesboro, Benton, Bollinger Mill State Historic Site, Trail of Tears State Park, Cobden, Dongola, Thames, Kelso, Delta, Gordonville, Dutchtown, Millersville, Cape Girardeau Airport, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, and Olive Branch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 25 and 36. Interstate 55 between mile markers 82 and 119. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander and Union. The National Weather Service